Welcome to the world of Auto3P, where precision and innovation meet. Auto3P specializes in software solutions and information services for the automotive industry worldwide. Insurance companies, assessors, fleets, rental and leasing companies, repairers, dealerships, importers and parts providers, all are forming the Auto3P customers' world. Auto3P opens new horizons with its flagship application, the Horizon. It is a flexible online platform based on advanced cloud technology and consolidating the company's wide range of tools and applications into a versatile single platform. The Horizon online platform is accessible anytime, anywhere, from any device and in any language. It covers a variety of processes, services, and tools designated to facilitate management procedures, enhance profitability, decrease costs, boosting fluent communication and cooperation between all relevant automotive parties. Horizon handles processes such as management of on-spot vehicle accident events, call center service management, damage repairs, complete fleet management, maintenance management, parts procurement and B2B trade, connected car services and coordination, automated invoice control and validation, business performance tools such as reports, statistics, and much more. Auto3P provides automotive insurance companies with an end-to-end solution. Telematics AutoSense is utilizing the most advanced monitoring technology for calculating vehicle insurance premium rates based on user-based insurance, or UBI, real-time accident reporting and accident analysis, automated first notification of loss, or FNOL, from accident events managed by a call center, real-time automated first evaluation of loss, or FEOL, and overall online claims handling management, all in cooperation with all parties involved on a single real-time online platform. Multifleet, a complete, innovative, and integrated management solution for the monitoring, administration, and technical maintenance of vehicle fleet. It aids fleet managers in tracking vehicle location by using GPS and GPRS technology. In general, it provides valuable tools for supervising day-to-day vehicle movement, maintenance, and repairs. Most work processes rely on the Multicat catalog, Auto3P's comprehensive and accurate parts catalog based on the vehicle manufacturer's databases. This is an essential integrated core component for every automotive professional system. The wide scale of Auto3P's database includes original part prices, labor rates and paint tariffs, smart model identification methods including VIN code, vehicle maintenance service kits, and more. Additionally, Auto3P provides mobile applications granting immediate access to all its services. These applications were developed to aid the various users in their line of work, whether it's swift damage estimates for experts, on-spot repair evaluation and reception for repairers, or delivery, handover, examination, and documentation for rental and leasing companies. Auto3P, cutting-edge solutions for the automotive world.